Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're going to be making this fried chicken. Stay tuned if you want to know how. So I wasn't originally making this, so that's why there was a little seasoning already on there. That's just some Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. Then I was putting on there some seasoning salt. This here is garlic powder and then cayenne pepper. I like my food spicy, and I just feel like this is a good spice, good addition to your fried chicken, so go with it. That there is some sazon, 1 full packet, and then I'm now putting in some fresh coarse black pepper. Just black pepper, guys. Don't overthink it. And then that's some hot sauce that I'm going to be putting on there too. I did my dry seasonings first, and then following it up with the wet. And then this here should be buttermilk. I had to substitute with what I had, but yes, buttermilk, guys. Just keep that in mind. And then give that a little mix for our batter. This is going to provide the crunch on the chicken. Layers, okay? This is what it looks like when it's done. It's now going to be put into a bag to sit overnight. You don't have to do this overnight, but I did. I'm going to add, this is the next thing I'm about to fry. I'm adding my egg and my mustard right to the bag because I'm lazy. You could put it in a bowl and do that too, but yeah. Put it right in the bag. I mixed it up. Now I'll put my flour, and then here I'm putting the cornstarch. This is where we get the crunch, okay? Layers. Now I'm seasoning my flour with all the same stuff that I seasoned my chicken with. So again, seasoned salt, garlic, black pepper. I love black pepper. Oh my gosh. Cayenne pepper. Onion powder. And some sazon. All right, so now I'm gonna mix the flour up, shake, and then this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna put my wet chicken right into my flour, seal that up and shake it. Now this part here, guys, where I'm gonna shake it or whatever, but I want you to also put a little pressure on the chicken, like squeeze your chicken in the flour a little. That's how we're gonna get that to stick. Into our hot vegetable oil I'm using here, you just want to use one of the high temp oils. And I'm going to go ahead and just lower my chicken right in. You don't want to overcrowd. I am frying in my wok, so it keeps heat pretty well. But you don't want to overcrowd your pot. That's the key there. You see it's nice and golden. We're getting crunch and boom. That's it. That's all. It's perfect every single time. Let me know how this went for you guys. And as always, thanks for stopping by.